This is the entrance of the area, what we know as a jungle. This is a huge illegal camp. Now there are around 7,000 people here. That part, last year it was also an illegal migrant camp, but this year it was demolished by the French authorities. And now over there is the current camp. And this is the road which is going to the ferry of Calais, the port of Calais. You can see the fences built by the authorities. They try to prevent this way that the migrants climb up to the trucks which are heading to the United Kingdom.
Let's talk about where enemies go. Pendiente, tú me debes algo y lo sabes. Conmigo ya se pierde. No le rindas cuentas a nadie. Que no pido algo pendiente.
Now we can see here the migrants waiting for buses. Today they want to take away 3,000 people.
Sì.